Whichever you want.
Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Okay, beat 3 eggs. You know, put a little less than a cup. Oh. What? Of course I have to make this.
What are you doing there? That's sugar?
Sugar gets going all over.
No. One thing we can understand. Okay, and I got a brush.
A little bit less than a cup of sugar.
Okay. So we already beat 3 eggs in that bowl.
Yeah, but we're going to beat it even more with the sugar. Now we're going to pour it gradually into the eggs, the sugar. And beat the sugar blended in with the eggs. No, not that pan. These pans, the low pans.
Now what's Rita doing? What are you doing there, Rita?
I'm brushing. Look.
Well, you had it. You move. Put it back where you had it.
Yeah. You gotta spray the pans or brush them with oil.
Okay. Spray or brush the pan.
Make your eggs like this. Then you turn it, because that means that they are incorporated with the sugar.
Alright.
Okay.
So you do it all even and stuff. Alright, and Rita, what is she doing now, Rita?
Okay, now,
Rita is will paint in.
Was that olive oil? What are you doing?
Any kind of. You can spray it with. You got a spray, a cooking spray.
So it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Just put something on it.
Yeah.
Something non-stick, and you're using a non-stick pan.
Frankie, get the spray, the pan spray.
It's better.
I'm going to buy it, because Rosemary is teaching me, and says she's some baker.
Do you want, how much do you put of the oil? Because
Well,
that's.
the Anisette oil, a little less than a
But what's this now? Okay, show the
Let me see
camera.
now, right
This is the Anisette
That
oil,
oil.
which is very hard to get. You can get the extract if you, you can buy the extract.
But I got that from the drugstore.
Yeah,
Frankie.
it's very hard to get
In the
this.
drugstore.
Like that?
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
where, in
The
Brooklyn?
whole teaspoon. Yeah. No, CVS.
Oh, okay.
Oh, do they have it?
Yeah.
They'll get it then.
You ask the pharmacist, he gets it for you.
Oh.
You know what, Rosemary, let me tell you something.
What do they
The
use?
Anisette flavoring goes right out. I'm crazy about it.
Yeah, because it's alcohol.
That's right.
Okay, you put that with the eggs. You always put the flavoring with the eggs.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, how much again? How much of the anisette?
A teaspoon.
Oh, that's a lot.
Teaspoon or less. Put it less or less.
Oh, that's, but it's always good to have that.
'Cause that's the oil.
It makes it nice and tasty.
So far we got 3 eggs incorporated with a half a cup of sugar and a
And
teaspoon.
a little bit more than a little less than a cup of sugar.
A little less than a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of anisette oil.
Right. Or you could use vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla.
But we like anisette.
Okay.
Now what are you doing here?
I'm putting 3 cups of flour. This is a 2-cup
Now what type of flour?
unbleached flour.
Yeah, unbleached flour.
Okay.
It could be any brand.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Unbleached.
Whatever's on
But
sale.
unbleached.
Yeah.
All
Because I know they got flour that's rising or
No,
something.
don't buy,
don't get
just buy
none of that
regular.
stuff.
That'll ruin it.
Okay, I'm going to put, this is 2 cups.
Okay, let me
And I
see
got
what
one
you're
more
doing,
cup I gotta do. I put 2 cups of flour, right? And I'm going to do another cup.
So 3 eggs,
3 eggs
a
with,
little more than half a cup of sugar,
no, just a little less than a cup.
3 eggs, a little less than a cup of sugar, and now how much flour?
3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour.
Yes. You're making a cookie now.
All right.
Just remember that.
And we got the anisette oil.
Because it comes sticky, this stuff. Okay, let me make sure this is a cup. Okay, 3 teaspoons of baking powder.
3 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay, good.
I put
In other
3.
words, 1 teaspoon for every cup.
Yes, and
Okay.
every egg.
Every egg and every cup. Keep that in mind.
1
All
teaspoon.
right, so repeat that, please.
For every
1 teaspoon of baking powder for every egg and every cup of sugar.
Gotcha.
Notice there's 3 eggs, 3 cups of sugar.
That's basic.
Yeah.
You mean flour? Wait a minute, 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour.
1 cup of sugar, but a little more.
A little less than 1 cup of sugar.
All right, so that's why you got the video here.
Okay. 3 teaspoons of baking powder with the flour.
Gotcha.
And a little bit of salt. Where is the salt? Pure salt.
Yeah, over here.
Oh, okay. And just a little bit of salt.
And a pinch of salt.
Yeah. because the salt activates the baking powder.
Oh,
Okay?
just enough to get it going.
Okay. Now I'm putting the flour, mixing it all together. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm going to put a little less than a cup of oil.
Frankie.
A little less than a cup of oil.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
A little.
That's a lot of oil, huh?
That's a lot of oil. These are different.
Now, what
These are
type
ones
of
I
oil?
gave you. Canola I use.
Okay. Well, that's the kind I
Now
like.
mix it with the eggs, the oil.
Okay, now look what she's doing.
That one recipe that comes with the stuffed pans. They have the stuffed pans that look like the loaf pans, but they're low, but they're narrow, so they will come the same size. Okay? Now what we're going to do is mix the flour in here. A little bit at a time. It's like a batter, this one. It's a little bit thicker than like a cake batter.
Alright.
But it's not like it yet. But it's not real stiff. See how it comes?
We're getting a zoom in now.
See, it's a sticky dough.
I see, okay.
It's a different kind of dough condition. Put a little bit more oil than the other one that you make. You make a half a cup of oil.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. This is good too. Yours is good too. It's either way. But this is the one that came with this stuffed pan that everybody.
Oh, so in other words, now you make 3 pans. 3.
I'll show you. Then I cut them.
Then you.
Okay. You mean that's special? Why I'll take it off of the pans here.
I'm not talking about our personal feelings. Yes, if I had lost money, even though I didn't, I'd love to see him rot in jail. But our personal feelings are quite a different story from what the law says, and what the legal issues are. Our advisory sentencing are supposed to look to public interest, deterrence, and policy. In this case, there is absolutely no reason he needs to get 150 years. He destroyed the life savings of thousands of people. Their lives are decimated. So doesn't the 150 years really fit the crime? It doesn't make a difference.
I'm going to get closer.
So how many years? 110,000 And also, Lisa, if he is not cooperating with the government to account for all of these billions of dollars,
You know what I think they should have did? They should have made him, give him a plea bargain that he has to pay back everybody the money. What good is him in jail?
Right.
I know.
They should have told me
He can
how
pay
to
it back from jail.
Yeah, but why should he?